Hello? 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 Asan yung isang mic? Nawawala yung isang mic. Ito pala. Hi guys! Welcome back! Ito, hanap tayo ng kanta. Hi guys! Keep on sending. Keep on sending kahit umpisa pa lang no? Yes. Okay, air supply medley tayo. Our favorite. Happy birthday, Atika. Love you po. Thank you po. We're here in New Jersey. Hello. 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 Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me. Oh, dear. A feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried. Thank you so much, Vincent. Only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not bending. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just mag-request kayo ng kanta, guys. Thank you sa mga bumabate. Ay, sino pala kumanta? Places you believe in, but I guess that's just the way that story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow shows. Is it true? Happy birthday! Thank you, bukas na po. Ate Christy, April, thank you. Palitan natin kasi pang lalaki to. Hanap tayo ng pang babae. Jella, kanta ka.
Tulog ako, tulog.
Ha?
Tulog ako.
Tulog ka ba? Gising ka na. Gising ka na. Ano kaya? Hi! Hanap tayo. You're my everything. Sana yan? Thank you, guys. Uy, thank you. Sino nagpa-diamond shower? Ate Maloy, salamat. Ate Oni Victoria, salamat po sa pagsisend nyo ng diamond shower. Thank you so much. Okay, hanap tayo ng kanta. Thank you. Ang labo na ng mata ko. Vian, hello po. Ala. Kara, okay. You're my everything. Okay. Wala bang female version? Alam ko na mag-Blackpink tayo. Blackpink Tally lyrics. Anong Kelly? Yan. Ito muna. Para sa mga bashers.
Pag sumakit ang lower chan, huwag tsambahan. Sa gamot na nakasanayan. Para sa pool, Buscopan. Tanggal ang hirap.
Blackpink. Ito tayo.
Hindi lang ubo, pati si
Next week na yung Golden Spice. Nakamalay ng hawa ka. Bakas tayong dalagyan eh.
Aura ready sa presyong Shopee. Shopee! Stop! Bongga! Taray! Ganda! Basta pang aura? Sa Shopee!
Thank you sa mga nag-send. Keep on sending. Twice. I need to grab this PBJ's Ferna. Oy, thank you, Ate Christy D. Thank you. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? Papa Jackson, thank you sa Chocolate Hills. Thank you so much. I used to know you look like a movie. You sound like a song, like always reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly what we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here. And that's why you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You look like a movie. You still sound like a song. I got it. There's no escaping telling I don't wanna want before life. And I ain't gonna conceal it. Thank you sa mga nag-greetings. Hi, fan girl. Can't mind. Salamat sa mga nag-share of Blackpink in your area. Yes. Favorite ko to eh. Okay. In case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. Thank you sa mga nag-send. Baka may mga nag-send na hindi ko nabate. Totoo. Uy, kay, ano lang, ang labo na mata ko. Noreen, thank you. Shucks, wala tayong ano. Patungan. Pahay ko, isang gala. Ate Malo, salamat sa Diamond Shower. Thank you so much. I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a song.
Female karaoke, OPM. Ala. Female karaoke, OPM. Ito, marami dito. Ala, thank you sa nagbigay ng puti-pot. Thank you so much, Levi. Ate Christy, salamat din. Yan. Ang hirap nang may hawak tayong cellphone. Ito. Magandang kantahin. Flowers para masaya. Ate Grace, baka may patungan dyan? Ng kahit na ano? Come on.
Dream that can be sold. We were right till we weren't. Build a home and watch it burn. I wanna leave you, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Late pa nga, write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. I can love me better, can love me better. I can love me better. It's cherry red, like the roses that you left. No remorse, no regret. I forget every word you said. Oh, didn't wanna leave you, I don't wanna fly. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Love me better. I can love me better. I don't wanna leave you, I don't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can make myself dancing. Yeah, I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than. Can love me better. Thank you so much.
Defiant Gatti.
Basta food trip, Pepsi!
Ang hirap maghawak. Nakakangalay. Ito. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Yun! Okay. Okay na, guys. Sana makuha yung 100,000 diamonds tayo ngayon. Birthday ko naman. Natuwa kayo. Ito na. Hello. Bigas daw kasi gusto ko hindi flowers.
Some people live for fortune.
Thank you, Lola Wish.
Some people live just for the fame.
Ate Christy, salamat.
Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game.
siya. Kung andyan siya, sige, akit siya. Di ba sabi nyo? Liligo. Thank you so much. Mami Banji, salamat. Nag-send ka na ng gift. Sino nag-send? Siya? Oy, thank you. Baka sabihin ko naman napansin. Alam mo, blurred yung paningin ko. Kasi maliliit. Andiyan ba si Ate Leonora? Ate Leonora, thank you sa regalo mo sa akin, ah. Thank you sa regalo mo sa akin. Super thank you. Hindi ko pa nabibili, pero thank you. Ay, naku. Akala ko nakagubad. Natakot ako. Akala ko nakagubad. Nakulay ka na. Hello?
Hello.
Are you there? Hello? Akala ko nakahubad ka.
Gusto mo ba nakahubad ako? Wait lang.
Hindi kasi kakulay ng ano mo. Ang puti mo na kakulay ng ano mo.
Ba't ba ako maputi?
Or thank you nga pala sa gift mo, ah. Na aircon. Thank you. Thank you sa aircon. Yan.
Sige lang, ganda ka lang, Jess.
Oo nga eh. Tika. Ano kaya magandang kanta? Ang init. Wala kasing ventilador dito, guys. Sobrang init. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do. Alam mo na putol. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Tapos may commercial pala. Ano ba yan? Wait lang, may ads. Yan. And then I should ever go away. Well, then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing
Sumbong namin kay Tiger.
Ha?
Sumbong namin kay Tiger.
Sino si Tiger?
Basta,
Hindi ako updated, sobrang busy ko.
yan, sinasabi ko sa'yo eh. Hindi ko itong social media person eh.
Sobrang busy ko kasi.
Si Tiger.
Okay, fine.
Si Tiger ang sumbungan ng lahat.
Pusang gala. Ang init, pinagpapawisan na ako. Nag-viral daw. Wala ko mag-12. Kasi magdadrive pa ako, guys. Kung alas 12 pa ako, alas dito, alauna na ako makarating doon. Baka mahuli na ako. Diba? Kaya magbabahay-bahay na rin ako sa inyo.
Pag-ingat ka, sabi ni Tiger.
Sige. Isusumbong ka namin kay Tiger kasi pinaiyak mo kami yung totoo. Ate Malay, salamat sa Universe. Thank you po. Alam niyo si Papa Jackson mag-live yan, kakanta yan.
Hindi, matutulog na.
Matutulog ka na.
Actually, niyaya ko yung isang tropa ko magkape. Hindi tumasagot eh.
Sino tropa mo?
Kaya mo na kung sino mga tropa ko na to.
Ate Vanji, thank you sa Diamond Shower. Sino nga?
I-PM ko sa'yo. Chicks to, maganda legs.
Wow. Okay, fine. Uy, Miss T. Blue, salamat.
Tiger.
Okay. Carly, Dayan, ingat ka sa bugay basa ang daan. Oo nga eh.
I-ano nyo nga guys. Ipasa nyo nga kay Kara yung link ng Tiger para mapanood.
Ipasa nyo nga sa akin para mag-gets ko naman. Ate Malay, thank you dahil shower. That's so cool over thank you.
Tapusin mo ha. Tapusin mo yung buong clip ha.
Oo,
Kasi sa
mamaya.
dulo lalabas yung Tiger.
Hi Dale, thank you. Sa mga nag-bumati lahat sa akin. Hello po. Hala, Lay Lozano, salamat sa pa-diamond shower. Ang dami nagpa-diamond shower. Salamat sa mga gift nyo. Salamat, Lay Lozano.
Salamat mga Tiger.
Okay, fine. Bukas sa TikTok ako magla-live. Paano nyo yan? Follow nyo ako sa TikTok. Anyways, ang init na, pinagpapawisan na ako. Magpapaalam na ako, guys. Paalam na po. Kailangan ko na nga umalis. What time? Sabi na Ate Christy. Baka hapon, Ate Christy. Ang batang Quiapo just followed you. Thank you. O siya, babay na.
Pinalo ka ni Tanggol.
Ha?
Pinalo ka ni Tanggol.
Talaga?
Hindi ba ang batang kaya?
Oo nga. O siya, babay na. Pinagpapawisan na ako. Init. Salamat po na madami. Paalam na. Kapal kasi ng damit ko. Kasi ano dito sa New Jersey eh. Ito kasi ako ngayon sa New Jersey. Next month pa ako makakauwi ng Manila. Ng Philippines. Magdadala na ako ng mga balikbayan box. Diba?
O regards kay Mama. Kaya ba?
Sige, mag-drive na ako. Bye-bye guys! Bye-bye! Sige. Bye-bye!
Sabi mo, ingat sila sabi ni Tiger.
Sige. Good night everybody. Pawis na ako. Good night. Ay, bye-bye na.